When the whole world eats salads, in Germany, we still eat sausages, just as a salad. Today, I will be talking about a dish from Baden, and that's best German summer dinner ever. There are 3 things on the plate and not a single leaf of lettuce. In this dish, the most important role play the pan-fried potatoes and the Wurstsalat. Herb quark is a protein addition, and you can leave it out if you don't have any access to quark. I know that those of you who live in America might not have it. Although, if you do have a buttermilk, there is a very easy way to make quark from this. I'm gonna put the link to this recipe in the description box down below. Nevertheless, let's start with a Wurstsalat. I'm using Fleischwurst and you can go for Bologna sauce. I'm gonna peel it and then we're gonna cut it into thin stripes. Now you're watching this and thinking, Martha, that's not a salad, it doesn't have any lettuce. Oh well, I hear you. In English, salads are mostly about the leaves. In Germany, salad means a dish where ingredients are cut up, mixed and dressed, usually cold. We have a sausage salad, potato salad, cucumber salad, egg salad, cheese salad and meat salad. None of them need a single leaf of lettuce. It is about the method, not the greens. In Germany, you can often buy bologna, cut it into stripes, so you don't have to. And don't be shy with the onion. Fine rings, just like grandmothers would do. I'm using shallots because they are a bit milder, but I'm crying anyway. And at last, pickled cucumber stripes. Let's take care of the dressing. The dressing is simple. We've got oil, white wine vinegar, mustard, salt and pepper. Now mix well. It should be tangy. Now let it sit. The longer it rests, the better. And while this is happening, let's move on. So now the protein. This is when it gets actually very interesting because this quark from Baden, it's way more spicy than I know it from here, Frankfurt, and it's kind of creamier. So for creaminess, let's add some cream to the quark, as well as chives, finely diced shallot and salt. We're gonna mix it until smooth. It should be deliciously creamy and pretty strong in taste. This should also rest for about 1 hour in the fridge. For Bratkartoffeln, I use potatoes that I cooked 1 day before. That's actually not a laziness, that's a secret. Those potatoes hold their shape much better when frying. Every grandmother would tell you that. Fry the potatoes in a single layer until crispy. Let them sit in a pan over medium heat. I always say that the Bratkartoffeln actually don't need high heat. They just need time. And if you enjoy traditional recipes like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss a Sunday recipe. If this is not perfect, then I don't know what is. And this is what I really love about this dish. Those are 3 delicious recipes in one. And this is how it comes together. Wurstsalat, Bratkartoffeln, simple but seriously good. But now I have a question for you. What do you eat actually when the weather gets hot? Because this is my hot weather dinner. Wurstsalat is a pure summer for me and Bratkartoffeln is a pure comfort. So it's really a perfect combination. And in autumn, as you might know, we completely changed the menu. And you know, this Wurstsalat is actually one version of many Wurstsalats in Germany. There's a one with black pudding, one with cheese, and even one with a mayo dressing. If you want to know about the German meat salads, please watch this video next. So good. I wish you all a lovely week, and I will see you, as always, on Sunday. Bye! Actually can't wait to eat it.